Okay, so in my local hospice thrift store, and I will put the name of the store below, in case someone will be interested if you live in the area. I bought this ribbon, and it's from Kirkland's Signature, and it's slightly used, and it says it's 50 yards, and it looks like it's, you know, maybe like half of it was used or a quarter of it. So it has plenty of it. And I love it because it's like that rainbow sheer color ribbon. And this will be perfect for my springtime DIYs. So I just love it. It's so pretty. And these are the colors that I'm using. These are the colors that I use for the springtime, and it's just so pretty. It has pink and green and yellow, and it goes in that same pattern. So I just love that. I'm so glad I bought this, and this was only 99 cents. So I'm sure it was a lot more money than that. And it's sheer. It doesn't have a wire, but it has some sort of thick threading inside, but it's not a wire. But I just think it's so beautiful. I couldn't pass this, so I got that. Then I saw this little box, and I love boxes. Boxes are always so useful for something, and it was only 49 cents, and it's just a simple piece of box. So I'm gonna paint it and do something with it as a DIY as well. Then I got this porcelain. Is It says present tense, and it was made in Italy, and it was only $4.99, and it's in beautiful condition. I love it. I'm not even gonna paint it. I'm gonna leave it in this white color, and I'm definitely gonna do something with this. Probably do a planter with it, and just change it up for every season, for every holiday. And so now that the spring is here, I'll probably be using a lot of pastel colors. So I'm sure that ribbon is gonna come in handy with this. So I just love it. It's so pretty and deep. I'm sure that you could probably use it to serve soup or something, but it's mostly for a planter. So I love the little legs on it. It has a little bit of detail on it. I'm gonna put some of the cushion rubbers underneath it, and that way it'll protect the glass or anywhere where I place it at. Then one of my favorite finds of all, I bought these two candle holders. They don't say where they're made, but it is silver, and it has a chain, and you could place the thin candle or a bigger candle, and it is dirty. It has to be clean, and I see that it has wax in there, but I'm gonna get this really nice and clean. And it has a snuffer, which is what you use to, if you have a candle, you could turn it off with this, and it hangs right here on the side on a little hook that it has right there, right there. So I got both of them, and they were only $2.99 each. This was a steal. I just love this. Now what I plan on doing with this is I'm gonna clean it up very, very well, but I'm gonna paint it. And I know some people are probably screaming, how could you paint silver and so forth? but I don't have anything that's silver, so it's not gonna go with anything in my house. So I am going to paint this so it could go with my decor, but I think they're beautiful. And that was from the Hospice place. Then I got this vase container for just $1.99. It's deep, and it's also silver, sterling silver. It just has a piece of tape here that I could just take out, but I just love it. Again, I'm gonna probably do like a topiary thing with it, but this time I'm probably just gonna have the ball sitting on it and I'll put the flowers around. So I just think it's beautiful. So we'll be painting this one as well, and I'll probably be painting everything so it could be in white so it could match with this. And one of the things I love about that store, Hospice Thrift Store, that's not the name of it. It's just, that's all that I could remember right now, because I know it belongs to Hospice. Is that they've always have really nice, unique things. And the other thing I like is they're very clean. Not like in some places that you go to, some thrift stores, they're not as clean. These were all very nice and clean places. And so even though they were clean, I'm still gonna clean everything, wash it, and put it in, in the way that I like things clean. But definitely gonna use this. So I'm not sure if I mentioned this is ceramic, and these are sterling silver, and that's a wooden box, and then the ribbon. That's what I got from that store. I'm gonna show you what I got from the other thrift store. So from another thrift store in the area that we were at, I got these two little bird nests, and they're in black, and it's a tea holder, and they had it for $1 at first, but they had it half price when I was there, so I got it for 50 cents. And the door does work. It has a little door, and this is where you put the tea light. And so I bought the only two that they had, and I bought this box. As you know, a lot of these Goodwill thrift stores, they're full of boxes and full of all this stuff. But I like this one. It has a cover opening on it, and is in really nice condition. And so it was for $7. I got it for $3.50, and I am going to paint it and freshen it up and do something with it. And then the bird cages are gonna go in a DIY that I'm gonna be setting up for my spring decorations. Now I'm gonna show you the next place that we went to.